Hi friends, thank you for watching my previous videos. I hope you liked it. If you did not watch, please watch the first three videos. We have continuously preparing the videos one after the other. So first we have given introduction, and next that programming structure, the four divisions that form a program. I have mentioned program contains four divisions: identification division, and then environment division, and then data division, and then procedure division, where we write the business logic. So we have also seen that program ID, the program name, we need to mention that is mandatory paragraph in the identification division. And environment division, it is machine dependent division we mentioned. Whenever we are running that program, we have prepared or we compiled in one machine and going to run in another machine, we will specify that one, that in the configuration section, source computer where we compile that program, and object computer where we execute. In short, you can say that machine names we will give. Okay, that we see a practical program shortly in this video. Okay, and also we have seen special names, how we can declare one type, data type, something like that. And also we have seen data division, where we have working storage section and linkage section for external data, for passing data from one program to another program. And also we have seen procedure division, where we write the business logic. And we have seen literals are constants, and we have different figurative constants. Okay, keywords like spaces, zeros, okay, low values, high values, all. Okay, so now we'll see what is variable declaration in Cobol. Like in any other programming language, we have variable declaration. Okay, except Python, where we no need to declare variable directly, we can use. But here we need to declare which variable we are using, okay, before using that variable. Okay, the variable declaration start with level number. Okay, we'll see the attributes of variables while declaring the variable. Variable declaration syntax, if you see level number and variable name, picture class, usage, sync value, these are mandate. This picture class is mandatory. Again, if you say in some of the cases it's mandatory, in some of the cases it's not mandatory. This pic is full form is picture. Okay, that where comes that data types, we'll see in the next section in this video only. Okay, see, level number is important here. Okay, and variable name, whatever the variable name we wanted according to the program, we'll write. Okay, so here I'll tell one by one these things. Before this, we'll see picture class, right? This picture class mentions what data type that variable is going to take the values, like numerics, alphanumerics, and alphabets. We have three data types. Okay, three data types. In detail we will see, just I am giving overview here. If I say pick 9, this is one. If pick of 9 means, for example, WSA pick 9 of 1, this will store one digit, means numeric number. Okay, if I say A, this is alphabets only. If I say X, alphanumeric, means its combination, it will take alphabets and numerics. Okay, like this. We will see in the program how the values it will take. Okay, before that I wanted to mention the classes. I already told you the statement contains words and classes, right? A class specifies attribute of an entry. Okay, here we have classes like picture class, usage class, sync class, value class. Just I will give brief description about this class. A class that specifies attributes of an entry. Attribute of an entry. Here if you see 0 1 ws name picture x of 10 value 0. This value is also a class that specifies what is the value for this variable. And also if you see picture class, this is one class. This specifies what data type that variable may take the values, what type of data that variable can take. Okay, fine. This usage, sync and value class we will see shortly in this video. Okay, next come to this declaration. Okay, we don't go now, we are started with this one. So level number is important in the variable declaration of the Cobol program. Here we have level numbers, integers between 0 1 to 49, and from some special numbers we have 66, 77 and 88. Okay, I told you there are level numbers 0 to 49 and some special level numbers, they are 66, 77 and 88. We will see one by one. Here firstly we have to understand what is the record. Generally we know record means, I will give here, for example, if I say a table row is a record, right? A table row, that means a row may contain number of columns. Okay, like this. If I say, if I take one student record, okay, school student record, maybe roll number, name, date of joining, something like that. Okay, maybe address. Okay, so a record, okay, a record may be combination of fields or columns. Okay, so while using files in Cobol program, we prepare that layout, the column names, okay, into one another member that we call as copybook. We'll see, but just I'm giving. So here record, how we declare the variable set. Okay, see for example, if we want to process the student data, student record in our program, for example, I want to store the student details like I told you, right? Some roll number, name and date of joining, date of admission. So and also I want to display. So how we do declare them? First, any variable value if we wanted to use, first we have to declare them in working storage section and then use in procedure division. Okay, so here if I see the first 0 1 level number I have mentioned, WS school record. Here I put the dot, this means end of this line. Okay, that compiler knows this is end. Okay, so again here under 0 1 I mentioned 0 3, the level numbers whatever we gave 0 1 2 49. So whenever we are writing under a record, this is a group variable, we say group variable. Under group variable we have sub elements. Okay, so 0 1 WS school record, under school record we have 0 3 WS roll number, that picture class 9 of 10, that means it takes only numeric values, number. Under this only we have given 0 3 WS name, but here again sub record we have mentioned here, see carefully, here we did not mention picture class, here also we did not mention picture class because that is group value, group variable. So here WS name 05 WS first name picture A of 20, this takes 20 characters, alphabets, name, first name, and 05 WS second name, this is also taking 20 characters. And again we have given, see this level number, same level we are giving here under 01 03, again sub elements, right? Here 03 WS admit date, here also I am not giving picture class, and WS5 WS admit year 9f4 ws5 filler. We have mentioned filler. Filler is nothing but it's like a variable without name, proper name. So filler, whenever we don't want to use that name but we want to use in that reference or in a group record, then in some group variable we can mention under that filler. So here filler x of 1 value hyphen, because I want this admission date as like this. For example, 2022 04 20 22. So this is the year, month, date I want to take the value. So I am going to declare like ws admit year 9 of 4, this takes 4 digits, and filler x of 1 value hyphen, means in between I want to have a hyphen. So I am mentioning directly value class. This value class in the working storage section to initialize the value to this variable. Okay, whatever. Here 05 ws admit month 9 of 2, ws5 filler x of 1 value hyphen, and here ws5 ws admit day 9 of 2, 2 digits it will take. So this is one record or variables which we are going to use in procedure division to store the school record and also display if we wanted to. Okay, so with this we can conclude that in the program, while declaring the variables, we have to follow the level numbers top down approach, like 0 1, that increasing in the number, and also the column in the variable declaration, whatever the variable we declare in the procedure division, in the data division working store section, we will define these variables, right? So if you see coding sheet, the 01 level should start at 8th column. Okay, that group variable should start with 01 level and it is at 8th column. Okay, and subsequent variable names should under this group variable should follow the increasing in the level numbers. Like for example, here I have given 03, and also here 8th column we can move some columns to right side. For example, 8th column, here we have given 01, 9, 10, 11th column we should give 11th or 11th column we should write 03 level. And also if you are again writing sub elements under this, after 03, 2 spaces we have to give before writing that next level 05. Okay, for example, here we can say 13th or 14th column we can mention 05 levels. Again, if you are subgrouping other sub elements under this, we have to write 07 or 09, something like that. Again 15th column, 16th, 17th column, like that. Okay, I hope you understand it. Hi friends, here I am going to show you the program in the mainframe session. Okay, this is the TN3278 terminal. Okay, so that is machine name, you can say, or terminal name. And here this is the ISPF primary option menu, where we see that data sets, that is programs and copybooks and all. And I told you Cobol, JCL, DB2 and CACS Visam technologies, right? Mainframe technologies. So that execution we can do in this mainframe session. Okay, so we will see one program, uh, 3.4. This is to see the data sets, like data set listing we see. Instead of 3.4 we can go 3, that means utilities, and then ds list 4. Okay, my data set starts with this one, so I am giving this start. So my program is for
under this data set. Okay, so my program name is COB002. So I want to show you all that details. Okay, this is a program. As you see, if you see coding sheet, we the lines, this in this this is the PDS, will say under that there is an element, we call it as element or member name. Okay, COB002. And this column list I have shown you, this columns. So here, this 6 digits, this is sequence number, it will tell that line number. And a column seventh, if you go here seventh. Okay, the seventh column, if you give star, this is comment line. Okay, that won't execute. Okay, and before the details, we will see the divisions what we have explained earlier in the theoretical video. So okay, identification division we see here, and environment division, and data division, and then we have procedure division. Okay, so here we see environment division and data division, procedure division. Okay, at the end of the program we will mention stop run. That means we are telling operating system that this is end of the program. Okay, so now we will explain the paragraphs what we have explained earlier. See here, program ID, the program name we have mentioned, and the author name I have mentioned, date written, date compiled, installation, that means on Windows system like that where we are going to install, and security. Okay, this is a comment lines I have mentioned, simple program, the star on the seventh column, that makes this no, not going to execute these lines, comment lines. And we can give that no, blanks spaces in between the lines, means blank line we can give. Environment division, under that configuration section, here I gave machine names like TN3270, ours is 8, right? 3278, and object computer TN5250. Okay, and special names also we can give, like special names, currency sign is U, generally it is dollar, we can change. Okay, just I put comment lines. And input output section, under input output section we can give file control, right? IO control, that I am not going to execute a file handling program, so simple program, so I am not writing anything under this input output section. And data division I am giving that working storage section, and also some variables. Okay, so if you see variables, I have given 01 double s hello, this is alphanumeric x of 12, and 01 double s, these are all elementary variables only, not a group variable, because there is no sub element under this, right? So WS CUR1 and WS currency, some $9 this currency, so we put dollar. Okay, I will explain in detail some this data types. There are some special details. Okay, I will give. So procedure division, in the procedure division we have written like main para, this is user defined paragraph, and move hello world to ws hello, this is a variable we have mentioned here, alphanumeric one. And we are going to display in the spool, that is output device, we give display that variable name. Okay, and move, this move verb or class, we can say moving the value, whatever the value we want, to this currency variable. Okay, this currency it will take like dollar 9 of 2 v99, means like this it will take. but here we should take this out. 45.99 I am moving it here, and display the currency is I am going to display. This is like, if you want to give any display lines, you can see in within single quotes the currency is, and then the value of this variable. Okay, and stop run. Okay, I'm saving this. Okay, this is view mode, so I'm not able to save. I'm giving edit. Okay, just go bottom, means down the lines, and here I'm giving this. I removed, right? Okay, so I save. We'll run this program. I have compiler program we need to check, and this is the compiler program, and we will give, instead of cob001, our program name is cob002, and give submit. Okay, max is 04, it's negligible, so we can execute this. Compilation is success, we can say. Then we have to run this program. Load module got generated, so we will take separate session on this, how to execute a program. Just I want to explain the divisions right now. Okay, so success max is 0 means the job executed successfully without any issues. Okay, we are going to spool s colon st. There, this is our job, last job, question mark, to see the output sys out, where it display the details. Okay, so hello world, and the currency is this one, $40.4599, because we gave there v, this is assumed decimal. And if you want to change that dollar symbol to u, in the special names I shown you, this special names under environment division, special names, I am removing this comment line. Okay, here also I am putting dollar u. Okay, instead of dollar we are putting u. Save, and again execute this one. Okay, here I am going to run the modified one, this compile jcl. Okay, success, and run jcl. I am running. Okay, max is 0, so we'll see the spool details. Output will be whatever display statements we put, right? That display variable values will be displayed in this sysout data set. Okay, remember this. See, you, instead of dollar we set up u. Generally dollar is the currency symbol, but we specify. I hope you understand this. Okay, we will check once again that program, how is the program. Okay, here we shown identification division, program id. Okay, this is to understand how we write a program. Okay, the Cobol program in the mainframe. Okay, author, author name, these are all optional, as I earlier told you. Okay, and this is environment this is mandatory when we are moving from one system to another system. The program we are moving from one system to another system. Okay. Hmm, that's it. Input output section. Okay, and if I go this environment division, this configuration section, source computer, object computer, special names, input output section, data division, working storage section. Okay, this be careful, this one how do we write. Okay, fine. Main para, these are statements under procedure division. Remember this, we should write them in 12th column. If you see here, this is the 12th column. Okay, here. Okay, fine. Whereas paragraph names we should mention at line 8th column we have to mention, and statements we have to write at 12th line. Okay, that's it. Next we see usage class. Usage classes I will explain in detail in the next section. Okay, usage comp is there, comp 3 is there. Okay, and sync class is also I will explain in detail in the next video. Okay, uh, just this one value spaces. Here this what I have said is uh, figurative constants, right? Figurative constant, one of them is spaces, means this doubles hello variable may contain all spaces. Okay, we can give, if it is one character we can give space, multiple characters instead we can give spaces. Okay, see here I have given something, this one value uh, usage comp. Okay, sync class, this is also I'll explain in detail in the next session. Okay, and here if you see I am displaying before that variable ws hello, because that is spaces first, and then later I am moving this value hello world to this ws hello variable, and later I am moving 1 2 3 to this one, and also I'm displaying again after ws hello, means after moving this value, this one, and here also I'm displaying this ws cur1, I'm moving 1 2 3, right? I want to see that 1 2 3 value, and here move 45.99 to ws currency, this one I'm moving, we'll see this as well. Okay, and display the currencies ws currency we said. Okay, uh, after moving this one. Okay, stop run, we'll execute this one, how it will show the output. I already executed, I will just show that in the spool. Okay, we see before ws hello there is nothing, the just show spaces that we cannot see here, right? And also after ws hello we have given hello world. Okay, we didn't give spaces, so it's come when it come, and ws curve1 variable value is 1 2 3, and the currency is we see $45.99. Okay, I hope you understood that that sample program, how we write, okay, the divisions and all, how we can give that no value, initializing it in the working story section, and how we move the value in the procedure division. Okay, thank you, I hope you like it. Keep watching. Bye.